7 minus 4 gives us 3, right? Sorry. 7 minus 4, let me change the color, gives us 3. And then 7 minus 4 gives us also 3. And then 3 times 3 gives us 9. Yes, it gives us 9, but that's not the correct answer of this expression. Why? Because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the trap of order of operations. Yes, if you're asking yourself, yes, there is an order of operations, because otherwise you would say 9 is the answer. I would say another thing, another number is the answer. So that would create a chaos and a lot of disagreement and a lot of ambiguity. So because of this, mathematicians, they created a convention called PEMDAS. So for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. And PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same precedence and priority. And then addition and subtraction, the same priority, go from left to right. Now, with this in mind, let's revisit our original problem. Do we have any parentheses in this expression? No, we don't. But you assumed, you thought 7 minus 4 and this 7 minus 4, they were inside the parentheses. You thought, in reality, they aren't, but you thought they are inside the parentheses. That's why you did 7 minus 4, 3, and then 7 minus 4, 3, and then you multiplied and ended up into 9. So that's not a correct answer because there is no parentheses. That was just an optical illusion. So we have subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. Multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. We must do this part at first. So 7 minus 4 times 7. So 4 times 7 gives us 28. And then minus 4. So we have just subtraction, go from left to right. 7 minus 28 gives us minus 21. And minus 21 minus 4 gives us minus 25. And that's the only correct answer. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had the second 7 minus 4, the last part inside the parentheses, and squared? So please drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe to the channel, please, to support me, and like the video. I'll see you in the next video.